Is your signature looking less than professional in Word because of an annoying background? Let's dive right into removing that unwanted background and making your signature look clean and polished in just a few simple steps. First, click on the signature image to select it. With the image selected, a new tab called Picture Format should appear at the top of your Word window. Click on it. Now, look for the Remove Background option. It's usually located on the far left of the Picture Format ribbon. Click on Remove Background. Word will automatically try to detect the background and mark it for removal. However, it's rarely perfect. Notice the highlighted areas in pink. Those are the areas Word will remove if some parts of your signature are highlighted as well. Don't worry, we can fix it. Click on the Mark Areas to Keep button. Your cursor will change to a pencil icon. Use this pencil to draw lines on the areas of your signature that you want to keep. Next, if Word has left some of the background untouched, click on the Mark Areas to Remove button and draw lines over the areas of the background you want to erase. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click on Keep Changes. And there you have it, the background of your signature should now be gone, leaving you with a clean and professional look. Experiment with these tools to get the perfect result for your signatures, enhancing the overall presentation of your Word documents.